Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, a very happy new year to all of you, and I really hope lots and lots of success and happiness for you. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can apply off campus to your dream companies and finally land at a job there. So please watch this video till the end, because in this video, I'm going to share some very important and useful tips that can help you crack that dream offer. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, my first tip is make a list of all the dream companies you have, or in all the companies in which you want to crack an offer. Make a list of all of those, write it on a paper, and then make it a habit to keep looking at their careers page, because if any opportunity pops up, they will definitely put it on their careers page. So you can just go to Google and type, for example, Google careers, or you can type Microsoft career. So their career page will pop up, and in that all the job openings which are present at that moment will be listed out there. So if you get an opportunity there, if there's an opening there, you can just go to LinkedIn or to any of your connections and then ask for a referral, and after getting a referral, apply in that job opening. Without referral, don't apply, because else the chances of getting selected reduces a lot. So if you want to know that how to get referrals and how to talk to people, comment that also below. I'll make a video on that too. So my next tip is make connections, network as much as you can. In all the dream companies you have, send them LinkedIn request or follow them on Twitter, or even the company pages, follow them as well on LinkedIn and Twitter. So if any opportunity pops up, they'll post it for sure. Also the HRs, talk to them, follow them, try to connect to them on LinkedIn. And also you can send cold emails to the HRs. So what are cold emails is that cold emailing is mailing a person which you don't know. So you can just get their email ID, and then you can mail them regarding what all skills you have, attaching your resume, telling them how passionate you are for that company and how can you be useful for that company. You have to mail a lot to lots and lots of HRs, because there are very less chances that they'll reply, but there's still a chance, and we always have to try till we get that one opportunity. Also, what you can do is, there are many YouTube channels and many people who post opportunity as soon as it comes up. For example, there's an Arsh Goel's channel. If I also get to know about any opportunity, I'll try posting it on LinkedIn or making a video about it too. So you can also follow these people, watch their videos. So if any opportunity pops up, you can have a look at that time as well. So the next opportunity, the next tip I have is that you have to share as much as you can. If you are taking any course, or you are attending a webinar, or you have made a project, any good thing what you are doing, maybe you have participated in open source, anything which you are doing, you have to share that. Maybe on Twitter, maybe on LinkedIn, because if you will share your work, it will your visibility will increase, and there will be more chances of people reaching out to you, because you are doing something, you are a person of value, and everybody wants to give a job offer to all those people who are of value. Also keep talking to people on LinkedIn from these companies, so that you kind of make a connection with them. So if any opportunity pops up, they can message you, they can text you and then tell you. So getting an off-campus opportunity, network is really important, whether it is with your seniors, whether it is with your family, friends, whether it is from LinkedIn. It is very important if you want to achieve success in your life. So thanks a lot guys, that was it from my side. If you have any doubts, you can message that below. If you have anything to say, you can message that also below. I would love to read your comments. So thank you so much guys.